Ella and the Secret Garden gave a short moral story. Ella was a curious girl who loved exploring her grandmother's old countryside house. One sunny afternoon, while chasing a butterfly, she stumbled upon a rusty, vine-covered gate hidden behind a wall of rose bushes. She tugged at it, and with a loud creak, the gate opened into a forgotten garden bursting with wildflowers, towering sunflowers, and birdsong. Each day after school, Ella would sneak into the garden. She watered the plants, cleared the weeds, and spoke kindly to the flowers as if they were friends. The garden, once dull and overgrown, bloomed brighter with every visit. One day, she found a tiny plaque beneath a tree that read, "Kindness makes everything grow." Ella smiled. Realizing the garden was her reward for caring and patience, later, she invited her grandmother to see the garden. Her eyes lit up with joy and surprise. This was the secret garden she played in as a child but thought was lost forever. From that day on, the garden became their shared place of wonder. Moral: care and kindness can bring forgotten things back to life, sometimes even more beautifully than before. Thank you for watching.